Hello everyone, my name is Daniel, and welcome back to another episode where I'm sick. Welcome back to another Tech Tuesday where I am going to compare... God, I'm so sick. Hello everyone, my name is Daniel, and welcome back to another Tech Tuesday where we are going to be comparing the Apple Airpods with the Beats by Dre, specifically the wireless Powerbeats 3. And if my voice sounds weird, I apologize. I am still sick, but it doesn't sound as bad as last Tuesday when it just sounded like I was blowing the microphone out of your face. Shout out to my little flex over there, little Miss Alocasia Polly. Alright, so let's get straight into it. I'm not really sure why I wanted to compare the boxes and show them to you, but here we are. So as you can see, the AirPods box is slim and nice and minimalistic, very Apple. And the Powerbeats 3 wireless box is big and gaudy and just kind of shows you everything, even though there's nothing in the boxes right now. But the reason I'm showing you these, to be honest, is the fact that Apple owns both of these companies, and yet it looks like they've spent a lot of money on this packaging, and it looks like they have not on this one. So I'm gonna give you some useful tips and stuff that I wish I knew before I even bought these, and then I'm gonna tell you which one I like better. All right, so aside from the packaging, I wanna get into what's in here before we talk about the actual product, because I have a pet peeve. Okay, so with the AirPods, you get a charging cable like this. Do you see how long this cord is? Do you see how long this cord is? With the Beats, I got this. Do you see this? I haven't even opened this. I haven't really even needed it, but like this, this can't even wrap around this once. It can't do it, which means when you plug up your AirPods, they're gonna sit firmly on the ground from wherever you plug them in because this cord is long enough to do so. However, I've found that whenever you plug in the Beats with this little flimsy short piece of nothing, they kind of just dangle from the wall, and I don't like that because with electronics, anytime you do something like that, it increases the chances of the port getting damaged while it's hanging from the wall. You can't make a cord to a $120 pair of wireless headphones long enough for the product to sit on the ground while it's charging. All right, so now let's get into the actual products, which is probably what you guys have been waiting for anyway. This is the AirPod right here. This small little chiclet looking box right here is the AirPod case. You open up the top like so, and then you have your left and right AirPods. Now for demonstration purposes, I'm only gonna take one of these out, but you're gonna be able to see has a very thin neck on it that gives you the microphone at the very tip here. And then over on the top, you don't really have anything to support this in your ear. So when I go to the gym and I sweat like crazy, and when I sweat like crazy, that's not an exaggeration. Like I'm sweating sitting here right now talking to you. But when I put this in my ear and I'm sweating, it literally just falls out. Like it just falls out. So every 20 seconds, when I can feel this getting loose in my ear from the time I start sweating, I just have to start pushing this back into my ear like every 20 seconds. And if I have both of them in, I do like this action, and I know everybody's at the gym laughing at me. So that is also one of my biggest pet peeves for the AirPods that I can't stand. Now the Beats are actually completely different because they are attached by a cord. Yes, that really doesn't bother me. I'm still getting used to the fact that they don't have a charging case with them. But one of my favorite things about them is the fact that they have a hinged hook that is mounted on both of them in a secure space, so that whenever you put these on your ear, they're not gonna go anywhere and you don't have to worry about it. I'm really happy that this matches my shirt. So this is not gonna fall out. And this is like even letting this just hang out and like float around this is not going to come out of my ear. Now, in terms of battery life, honestly, these are kind of hand in hand. I've used these, I can use these probably like 2 weeks at a time, and I can use these probably like a week and a half, 2 weeks at a time, depending on how much I use them. So really, there's no weighted scale on the battery here. One thing I have noticed functionality wise over both of these is the fact that, and this probably has something to do with the AirPods or specifically Apple brand, but these work without hesitation on anything that I have with the Apple Watch, with the iPhone directly. If I hit a button on this, or if I hit a button on my phone, it is instantaneous, like split second, there's no hesitation. Now on this, I've noticed that it's semi-laggy, and I'm thinking that it's just because these are always gonna work better and effortlessly functionality wise. But in terms of quality and audio use, there's really no difference. So overall, to be honest with you, my personal preference, just from owning both of these and using both of these, I'm gonna go with the Beats. All right, you guys, so that's literally it for my Tech Tuesday. I just wanted to give you guys a small consumer comparison of the two Beats. Now, after using this for a little while, if I have any issues pop up or anything, I will make an update video just to rant and talk about it. But really, both of these are really good wireless headphones. They're gonna give you what you need. But I want you guys to put in the comments down below, do you like the AirPods better or do you like the Beats better? Or which one do you want? I want to know in those comments below what you think, and if you have any questions, I'll be sure to answer those as well. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm bumping up my game here. All right, love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.